Now, this is what they want to know. It all comes down to this. Did COVID nursing home patients die because of Governor Whitmer's policies during the pandemic? 8 Republican senators, including Jim Runestad, says they still haven't received any answers, but they aren't giving up.
It's very disappointing for those family members who have lost loved ones.
Despite this letter from Attorney General Dana Nessel declining a request for an investigation into Governor Whitmer's nursing home patient policies, Senator Jim Runestad says he and a group of Republicans is pushing forward.
We want to know the numbers. Were the numbers accurate? Is what happened in New York, is that what happened here? We're not going to get any answers. They're ideas that we'll just cover everything up. We'll pay people not to talk. We'll give these big contracts out, the hush money contracts.
So far, Runestad claims House Oversight Committee hearings, lawsuits, and Freedom of Information requests have been stonewalled by state officials. The senators now say they plan to issue subpoenas and hire a special prosecutor to get the data they need, starting with why COVID patients were placed with non-infected nursing home residents, in some cases without the proper precautions in place.
This is a real issue in terms of why was that done, what was the ramifications, and what is the data. And so we're not going to get any of that, at least from the Attorney General.
Also, why the senators say the number of nursing home deaths reported to the feds were much different than those reported to the state. They're also asking families of patients who died of COVID in a nursing home to come forward.
What I would say in the meantime, till we get this ramped up and either get subpoena power or get a special prosecutor, every family member listening to this report that had a family member die needs to make a report at the local police department. That then gets sent up to the prosecutor. If we get enough of those, that could get the prosecutors involved in the individual counties.
Now, in her response letter, AG Nessel making it clear the choice to investigate a claim is free from political motivation. She said, quote, "Though I will not hesitate to act when justified, I also will not abuse the investigatory powers of this department to launch a political attack of any state official, regardless of party or beliefs," end quote.
Tarrant, state Republicans are not the only people asking questions. Former Fox 2 reporter Charlie LaDuff has filed a lawsuit to get the numbers. And Macomb County prosecutor Pete Lucido is also asking families to come forward with possible complaints. Is this all connected?
Well, it's all going on at the same time. And because they feel everybody's being stonewalled, that's now why they're bringing in the special prosecutor, possibly if they can get the funding for that, and also the subpoenas to be able to get the information. Bottom line, though, AG Nessel said, they did not provide any sort of proof of a possible law being violated, and that's why it didn't warrant a criminal investigation. So we'll have to see where it goes from here. Huel is likely going to take a while.
And we know you'll follow the story every step of the way. Tarrant, thank you.